So let's dive right into the 70-535 course on Architecting Microsoft Azure Solutions. Now, I don't want to scare you, but this course first went live in July of 2016. Hard to believe, but it's now 23 months since this course went live. But don't be scared. I've been making changes to this course almost every month since the day it went live. As Microsoft adds new features to Azure, as they change the exam, as they modify existing features, I've been creating new modules and updating this course as we went along. But now it's been 2 years. It's time to reset. It's time to go back and re-record the entire course end to end based on the latest requirements of the exam. So you're about to see the first module go live for this new exam. It's on virtual machines. Brand new course for you. You're going to, over the coming weeks, see every module of this course changed into the new course and into the new style. So I'm giving you a hint here on the style of the new slides. I'm going by this philosophy that has started to work well, which is learn it, see it, do it. Now, I'm going to be using slides to teach, to explain concepts, to make sure that you're seeing visually as I'm explaining, because the architecture exam particularly has to do with understanding concepts, understanding relationships between services, why you would choose something, why you would choose something else. But it's also important to show you within the Azure portal how to create resources, how to manage resources. You'll oftentimes understand how something works by seeing me implement it. And finally, you're going to have a chance to do it yourself. So you'll have a Microsoft Azure account, and then you'll go in and you'll create those resources. You'll create the load balancers. You'll see for yourself how Microsoft Azure allows you to manage resources. So learn it, see it, do it is the philosophy. Now, I'm recording this in the middle of June 2018. Hopefully, you're seeing this in June 2018 because I intend for this to be very quick, where I'm going to go through and do each of the major modules of the course in the coming weeks. So stay tuned. Watch this spot. You're going to see new modules of this course going live every few days until the entire course has been re-recorded. I am so thrilled to be able to bring this to you free. You're not going to have to pay for a new course. The existing course is going to be revised with all this new material, and you're not going to get that from a book, and you're not going to get that from any other online course vendor. So stay tuned to this. You're going to get all new modules. I hope you appreciate it. Thanks a lot, guys. Let's get into the first module on virtual machines.